Today we are having Brussels sprouts for dinner. They are super, super easy. Little baby cabbages. All you do is chop off the bottom. I get rid of a few of the outer leaves if they're kind of cruddy looking, and I cut them in usually quarters just because I like more surface area because I love crunchy. And that's it. You just go to town with the cutting. Alright, so we have all of our Brussels sprouts here, and I am going to use bacon fat instead of olive oil or something like that. So bacon fat, you kind of have to put it in and then it needs to melt a little bit. So I'm going to put them in the oven for a while and then I'm going to take them out and swish them all around. Usually, if I have bacon in the house, I'll cook little bits of bacon with the Brussels sprouts, but I don't have any bacon in the house. So this is the second best way of doing it. I'm also going to put some salt and pepper on. Alright, so I'm going to put these bad boys in a 450-degree oven. Once the fat melts, I'll swish them all up together, and please ignore the cat. That should not be in a video. And then they'll cook until they're done, about 30 minutes. Tasty, tasty. And the final little Brussels sprouts. Super tasty and crunchy.